guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shandy and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm really excited because y'all know what this video is titled. I just finished washing my hair. I'm about to blow dry it because I'm getting my hair braided today. My cousin is braiding it, so yeah, it's currently 10 a.m. though, and I'm supposed to be on a Zoom call for my school, so I'm about to log in. But I just wanted to do this intro, and I do have to go to work, so I'm gonna be getting my hair done after I get off. I also have to get the braiding hair. I might get it before work though. I don't know. I might get it before work. I don't know, but I could still get it after. So y'all gonna see that. I did pretty much all my shopping already, like in-store shopping. I'm waiting for 2 packages though. So one is supposed to come today, which is from Fashion Nova, and then I have one from Shein. It's just like sunglasses, I think, and a hat that's supposed to come, and I hope it comes in time. I don't know if it's gonna come in time. If it doesn't, it's okay. I got all my toiletries, all that stuff already, so I'm pretty much good. We leave Thursday. Today is Monday, so yeah, this is the start of the vlog.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew aside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own.
So my hair is blow dried. I'm still on the Zoom workshop thingy for my school. Y'all, so tell me why we're in a breakout room, right? Nobody's talking, bro. We were in a breakout room. And we were sitting there for like 5 minutes straight. And I'm like, all right, so nobody's gonna say nothing. So I'm okay, let me just introduce myself. So I'm like, hi, my name is Shandy. I'm a dental hygiene major. And then that's when everybody started talking. You can dead see my mustache, like, not too much. I don't know what I have time to make. It's 11:32 and I have to be at work at 12. I'm back, it's the next day. My hair is done, as y'all can see. I just got off of work, actually. She finished my hair at like 1. Yeah, and I didn't get home till like 1:30. So yeah, I think I'm gonna add white beads at the end though, and I really like it. It's so cute. I'm helping my mom with her hair, so I'm gonna do that when she is back home. But for right now, I'm just cleaning up my room. It's now, what time is it? It's 11:25 p.m. I finished helping my mom with her hair. That took like 5 hours. I'm tired, y'all. Like, I'm so tired. I could like see in my eyes. I'm so tired. And I still have so much to do. Like, I have so much to do. So I was gonna get my toes done. I'm still thinking about going to get my toes done in the morning, but like literally I have not like my whole day is packed tomorrow because we leave Thursday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We leave Thursday. Tomorrow I'm getting my nails and my lashes done, so that's already taking out time for my day. I'm trying to pack now, and y'all, the way I'm stuffing my suitcase, it's like I'm bringing mad stuff, but it's like I feel like I need each and every item I'm bringing. Like, I'm gonna be on a cruise for 8 days, plus we're going to Miami for 2 days, so it's like the preparation part is always the worst. So yeah, right now I'm packing. I'm really tired. I need to go to sleep, but I have to wake up mad early. So I was cleaning my room we got a little bit done. It's not bad. I know I'm still gonna have to clean up again tomorrow, like after I finish packing. I'm gonna have to clean up again, but my room isn't like messy. It's just stuff I have to put away. So all that stuff up there I need and I use right now. Some of it I'm taking with me, but I can't pack it because I need it right now. But the most part, my room is clean. So right now I'm just gonna put more stuff away. I'm gonna make sure I take out everything that I know I'm gonna need to bring, so it's out, like it's in my sight and I don't forget it. I do have a list on my phone though. I am thinking about bringing my metal straws because on the cruise they're gonna have paper straws, and I hate paper straws with passion. The only thing is I'm gonna have to wash these myself, like, and I feel like I'm gonna lose it, so I'm not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. But yeah, so I can't really pack my bag like that. I'm taking my tote bag. I was gonna take my MCM tote, but like that's kind of big, and I'd rather something that can go across body, so I won't have nothing on my shoulders. Cause I'm already gonna have 2 suitcases, and that's doing a lot. But I need those 2 suitcases because we're gonna be gone for almost like 2 weeks. So yeah. So in the morning, I have to clean the bathroom. The bathroom is part of my chores, so I gotta do that, and I have to clean my turtle's tank. I should have been did that, but I'm tired. Like, I need to go to sleep, so I'll probably see y'all in the morning, most likely, because I'm not doing nothing right now. And yeah. Hey y'all, so I just came from Dunkin'. I got my coffee and I got a sandwich, but I'm on my way to my nail appointment now, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I was gonna try to wiggle my toes in real quick, but they were taking too long, so I just left, and I'll just come back if they're still open. If not, I'm gonna just have to do my toes myself. But yeah, I should have time to get my toes done, probably in between my appointments, or I don't know. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my nail appointment. Y'all, this coffee is so good. A claps.
But I
These are my nails. I'm going to get a COVID test before I go get my lashes done because the place is right near here. Because we have to get a test before we get on the cruise. We should get the results by Friday. Our cruise leaves Saturday. So I should get it by Friday because we're getting a PCR. So, yeah. They look so good. Hey guys, so while I was near the bank, I saw an eyebrow place. So I got my eyebrows threaded and my lip waxed, upper lip, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm on my way to go get my COVID test, and then I'll be getting my lashes done, and then we'll see about my toes. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all probably when I get to my lash appointment. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, the lashes are done. I just went to Target. That's what y'all just saw, because I had to pick up some things. I got my toes done. I didn't record getting my lashes done because there was nowhere for me to put my phone, like put my tripod and stuff. So yeah, but they look really good. I really love them. I'm gonna put her at right here. I probably should have left out some more of my baby hairs, but I didn't want it to get messy fast. That's why I told her not to take out a lot. I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the house, and I'm gonna show you what I got from Target, and then I'm gonna finish packing and do what I have to do because we leave in the morning. So yeah, I'm back home. I done on my edges. I'm about to finish packing. I like my Starbucks cup. It's so adorable. It's our senior special. It says the class of. Oh wait, what? I'm so slow, y'all. I'm so slow. It says the class of 2022 senior family. I'm gonna start by putting stuff on the charger, like my speaker. Well, I don't need to really charge that. I could charge it while it's playing. So I'm gonna put my portable on the charger. I'm going to charge my AirPods. Those need to be charged. I was gonna bring my iPad with me, but I'm leaving that home because honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be using it. I'm just gonna be bringing it just to bring it, and I don't need to do that because that's mad extra for no reason. Oh, I have to pack socks, y'all. That's what I was forgetting, because I'm forgetting something. Socks. Like, how you go forget socks, bro? I didn't even show you what I got from Target. So I got this gum because when you're flying, you need gum. Oh, I got sunscreen and the Hawaiian Tropics tanning oil, but that's downstairs, so I'll show you that later. And I also got some Tylenol and stuff just in case, you know. Hey guys, so I'm done packing. It's like 1 a.m. right now, almost 2 a.m. It's like 1:40, I think. Yes, I'm watching Barbie. There's some stuff that I have to put in there in the morning that I'm still using, but that's fine. Pretty much everything is done being packed and I'm good to go. If y'all are wondering what's on my face, I'm spot treating. I'm gonna do a skincare routine very soon, so y'all gonna see what I use. I put on cinematic mode, so y'all gonna see like a little difference, but yeah, I'm bringing this. I have to put this in my big suitcase. I'm bringing this big deodorant, the Invisible Dry. What else am I bringing? That's pretty much it, like, of the big stuff I'm bringing. Oh, and my saline solution. Speaking of this, I have to clean my piercing, so I'm gonna do that right now. I got my piercing in like March, but it's not healed. It's not healed all the way, so I'm still, you know, doing my daily cleanings. This is just regular saline solution. Well, it says multi-purpose solution, but it's saline solution. I'm probably gonna go get I'm probably going to go get some food and then go to sleep, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get up in a couple hours later.